Hello everybody, today I've got the Kensington Detainer lock, the laptop lock, the smallest Detainer lock in the world. You actually get two of these because I seen Huxley Pig picking one a while back. I was going to actually download this about a week and a half ago, but I decided to do another video of a pick and gut one because you get two of them, because I actually was going to kill two birds with one stone. I thought to myself I'd get one for my son, but this one with the steel cable, and the other one which just got like a telephone cable on it. I disassembled that one because I originally bought it for my son, and my son says, "Dad, what you got a laptop lock for?" He went, "My computer's tracked, it's insured, and all my information stored to a secure remote app." So I never knew. I really didn't. So what these are for is like brief moments. If you've got to leave your laptop for a brief moment, that's all these are good for. To stop the opportunist, but probably the professional not. You know what I mean? I don't know if laptop theft's still a big problem at the minute. I know phone theft's still a big problem. So anyway, we'll have a crack at it. When it opens up, it's got like a flap at the back of it which stays open when it's open. And you get another connection what you actually Allen key into your laptop. So there is your key bitting. There's your key bitting there. Right. And I'm going to be using this little tension was here, just a bit of brass stock. Actually made that. It's nothing to look at, you know what I mean, but it fits. And I made that little pick and tip. So let's crack on. Grip that second disc if I can. Right.
It's done so nicely there, hasn't it? Broken strings, Nelly and James on Smooth Radio. Should have done this one a bit earlier, so I hope you're still with us. Can you do a huge shout out? And thanks to
Just get myself positioned properly.
family moved into the family home before Christmas.
That's how open. That's open. Popped it open. Simple as that. As you can see there, it is open. And there you go. If you can see, watch, I'll show you that's open. Open. So there we go. That's how quick I went last time as well. Right, so we're going to have a look inside of one just to show you that. That's what it's like when it's all sealed up, and it's a nightmare to take one of these apart. It really took us about at least, I think it was half an hour. But I will show you inside of one. I'll show you inside of a Kensington laptop lock. I can get it out. I don't pull it out yet. There's he. Just lost a couple of discs out of it there, like. Just get that round there. So that's a sidebar just fell out as well. Just get this dead greasy then, like. Hopefully I haven't mixed the bloody things up. Let's see. No, I haven't. If I can see there, that's an open. That's a close. And so it's the gut one, eh? Just want to get them and turn this. Tell you what it is. Use one of these little mats here. Use one of these little mats here. Obviously you can see better. Right, so that is one. Right. Just get this out of here. Put the key there. There's two. Oh no, what I've done here, when I've put that, and I've dropped one of these underneath. Right. It's the first disc. Just put that there. Put one there. pick and gut of a Kensington lap there. Where I got a notification off YouTube. When you get like a notification off YouTube saying how good your channel's been. I didn't realise I've gained 98 subscribers. So I want to say a thank you to my subscribers for subscribing. It means a lot. And I want to just in advance, I just want to say thank you, but I just want to say have a Merry Christmas, a good Happy New Year and that. Views, I've had just over 10,000 views in 4 months, which is quite good. Oh, look at that, I got a false gate on it. I think we've got one with a false gate on it. That is crazy, that. Right, that is so tiny, they're hard to get a grip of. And I've got false grooves on them. That is crazy, that. You get mixed up. Alright, how many's left? A couple of more left and then we're done. Right, put that on there. And just pull these last 2 out. That's crazy, that. I don't know if it's false notches. Alright, so I need to just move that there. So 1, 2, let's get them all right. I've got a few of the false grooves on. That is crazy. So 7 discs all in total. And where's your sidebar? Put your sidebar there. And got muck all over it. So here we go. These are pick and gut of a Kensington laptop lock. I tell you this, I'll bend the neck on this so we get a better glance at it instead of me keeping all of it. I wasn't going to do this Detainer video. Right, let's touch. Yeah, that's better. Right, there's me tweezers. I just want to show you something first. Got false notches on a Kensington laptop lock. Yeah, look at that. See it? See it? 1, 2 notches on it. And it's that was on position right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was 5 and 6. That's got the false notches on. Right there, no. Right there. 4 and 5. No, wait there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 4 and 5 are ones with the false notches on. So there you go, the tiniest disc detainer lock in the world, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Like I say, another thing, I've got 2 subscriptions away from the 600 mark. I will probably do a video of where I'm giving 3 giveaways. And I'll probably do a video in the next week or so. So anyway, I'll catch you later. Stay safe, well, happy picking, and ta-ra.